Well, hello, happy Chinese New Year. It is Monday and we are on break and we are enjoying the sunshine and great weather. And I wanted to do an intro for a video for a really good day that we had. It was Valentine's Day. We started off the day kind of on a sad note, but important for the kids. We buried our beloved hamster Sunny, put her to rest. And then after that, we found a place to eat. Went to Sham Chung, one of my favorite places in Hong Kong. And that's what this vlog is going to cover for today. So hope you all are doing well. Hope you enjoy the short vlog. Have a great day.
Another 8 days like this. You're so cute.
Then you make like a little bowl and you put the filling inside and then roll it up.
Oh no, that's so funny. I literally wanted mochi. I was like, let's get mochi.
is a boy.
And do that.